Hi, and welcome to Cooking with Hilda. In today's video, we are gonna oven roast a small bone-in ribeye roast. We start with small roast to start gaining confidence for when we have to roast bigger ones. So we can start boosting our confidence and become better roasters, if that's even a word. We will need 4 tablespoons of already soft butter, a tablespoon of ground pepper, fresh ground pepper, 3 minced garlics, a tablespoon of fresh chopped rosemary, and a tablespoon of salt. Don't be afraid, it looks a lot of salt, but it kind of needs it because it's a very big portion of meat. Mix well. You want to cover everything perfectly with this butter. You don't want to miss a spot. And it's very common that you clean these bones and leave them open to have a better presentation, but in today's video we are not. This video's purpose is to show you how easy it is to oven roast, and then you start gaining confidence. We are gonna leave a roast inside a preheated oven of 450 degrees for around 15 minutes. We want a very hot oven to achieve that lovely crust that we all love in the roast. After this time, we're gonna lower our oven temperature to 350 degrees and leave our roast inside for around 2 hours and 20 minutes. Or until the inside temperature of the roast reaches 145 degrees if you like medium. If you like red, take it out when it reaches 135 degrees. Let it rest for around 1 hour, cut and serve. I'm gonna show you how it looks later. After this time pass, you wanna take your roast out of the oven and check the temperature in the thickest part. And when it reaches 146 degrees, then you know it's ready. You want to let it rest, partially cover for around 1 hour so all those juices can come back. After you let your roast rest for around an hour, you can go ahead and cut it, and I want you guys to see how juicy. Can you appreciate how all those juices are in there? Oh, it will melt in your mouth. Thank you for being here with me again in Cooking with Hilda, and see you guys next time.